Christmas has came early. Look, it's a box from GigaParts. Let's talk about it. Hello everybody and welcome back to Ham Shack TV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX. And here we are a few days before Christmas and I have gotten a package from my friends at GigaParts. So this video is sponsored by GigaParts. Guys, check out gigaparts.com. Fantastic deals on electronics, ham radio equipment, computers, all kinds of great stuff. And when you use my coupon code HAMSHACktv, you get double rewards points. And if this is what I think this is, you're gonna get quadruple rewards points when you use Ham Shack TV at checkout. Again, gigaparts.com, you can check them out at 6123 University Drive in Huntsville, Alabama, or you can shop in your socks online, gigaparts.com. All right, let's open this up and see what it is. And for once, guys, I actually have a over-the-head camera here so you can kind of see as I'm opening this. All right. So I have a feeling we got a few boxes to go through. Here's just some packing boxes and stuff. I've got a shipping notice. I do want to tell you that this is indeed what I think this is. This is the Icom IC-7300 MK2. Very, very excited to put this one to the test. I've been a user of the regular 7300 for about a year, and it's been phenomenal. So I'm really excited to put this to the test. So without further ado, let's go ahead and pull it out of the box. Now it's a box within a box, and I don't want to damage the box because, in full disclosure, this is on loan from GigaParts, right? I haven't paid for this, although that's probably going to change. So I don't want to damage any of the boxes. I want to keep those for shipping purposes. All right, so we'll flip the box back over, and there you go. And folks, if you're watching this in team replay, it is Christmas time, so that's why we've got a Christmas tablecloth here. But let's open it up. Icom HF50 megahertz transceiver IC-7300 MK2. We open up the box, and we have another flap. All right, so we start out with your manual. And you've got the manual in 3 different languages. You also have your warranty card. This is not my radio, so I'm not establishing the warranty on it yet. All right, we take the other piece of little spaceship material. Shout out Decode MRD. And we are greeted with the microphone. It's the standard Icom HM219 microphone. So no surprise there. This is the same microphone that comes on the regular 7300. You have some other connectors here, some TRS, you have some fuses, different things like that. You have your power cable, still the 4-pin with your positive and negative, and you've got your fuse block in the middle of it, so you can see there. And then take a couple more layers of packing off of it, and I think we're getting down to the grand finale here. Yes, we are. All right, drum roll please. All right, get the box out of the way, and we pull off this packing material, and here we are, folks. It is the IC-7300 MK2. Let you see it on the top camera as well. This looks almost identical. I mean, from the faceplate point of view, it is identical to the regular 7300. But here's where the changes are, and I'll come away from the top-down camera. You see, we have some different hookups here. So you got your 4-pin as usual. You got a ground. And then this is your SO239 for your antenna. You've got a couple of receives here, additional receives. I'm not quite sure what those are for yet. Trying to see if it tells me. This is just an RX antenna. So, not quite sure. I need to investigate that a little bit. Here, these are 2 ports for send, or ALC and send. This is for your key. You've got a LAN port here. This is brand new this year, the LAN port. Got dinner cooking, sorry for the beep. HDMI out. Folks, that's a game changer. If you're used to the Yaesus, Yaesu uses that DVI out. Icom has finally came into the 21st century and now has the HDMI port. Cannot wait to try that out. They have now upgraded to USB-C. This is going to be for your cat control. Fantastic stuff. Next over is your is an accessory port, ACC. You have your external speaker and you have a remote as well. So generally same lookup. This up here is your ports for your external tuner. However, this does have a built-in tuner. So folks, we will go ahead and get this set up and we'll put it on the air and give it a try. Okay folks, here we are. We're at the shack here, and a little uncanny setup, and please forgive all the wires and mess that we have here, but I've got the radio in place. We'll go ahead and pull the plastic off of it for your ASMR listening pleasure, I guess. And there we go. It's off. Okay, so I have not used any of the cables supplied by GigaParts. Why? Because I don't know if I'm going to buy the radio. Okay, so I don't want to use their cables. All the cables, for the most part, with the exception of the USB-C, are still applicable to this radio. So my original 7300 is what's going to power cables and things like that is what's going to be powering this radio. So got it all hooked up. Let's power on for the first time. Okay, Icom IC-7300, and there you see it comes up just fine. So the first thing I need to do in order to get you all a good appearance of this is I need to go into the menu and turn on the external display. And I'll show this again to you later, but display, external display on. Check out that, see if that works. Alright, so I'm going to change sources, and we'll see if you all can see everything that I'm seeing here. For the most part, I do need to resize some things here, so give me just a minute on that. See if that helps. Not quite. How about that? Still not quite right. So this is a setting within my software that I've got to adjust so that it can capture it better. So let me fix that real quick. Let's see. All right. Probably going to have to do some figuring on this because something's just not setting right. I'm working with these. What happens if I try to show you the radio full? Yeah. So that's better. All right, so now you can see me down here. And here we are. This is it. This is the 7300 Mark II. And I'm going to just go ahead and type my call in it. For X. And there we go. So that's all in there now. Let's take a look at this waterfall here. So if you hold M scope, you get to see more, and really nice responsive waterfall. The RF squelch is quite tight, interestingly enough, and I'm not hearing it any audio out of it. Oh, I bet I know why. Stand by a second. Because I have the audio output turned on. Let me turn that back off. Yep, there's the sound. So there we go. All right. So I'm going to adjust me a little bit here. Let me crop the top of mine down, my display down. That way y'all can see a little bit better. But here we go. This is it. This is the display of the Icom IC-7300 MK2. And let's just, one of the big new features about this is the CW Decode. So I'm going to switch over to CW mode here. Come on down the band here. We're on 20 meters. That's FT8. Alright, so there's that. Key or decode, CW Decode. And you can see it's decoding the CW right there. TU73, thank you 73, DEKG0HG. Try to tighten down the filter a little bit and see. And I'm going to move me over here. So now you can see QRZ, DEKG0HG, KG0HG. It's not hearing anything there. Let's go down the band a little bit. I see a pretty strong signal. Western Hemisphere. Move beyond the limb. Chances for the, I believe this is the ARRL bulletin, folks. For the proton flux. Okay, so you see, I think it's supposed to be become, you see there are some issues with the decode. Not 100% perfect, but folks, out of the box, this is wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. There is a 10% chance for an S1. Okay, we're talking about solar flux, I think. S1 or, yeah, this is a solar forecast, or minor radiation storm. This is fantastic, y'all. Absolutely fantastic. There are so many features to go over with this radio. I'm going to be making a series on these videos. If you want to get your Icom IC-7300 MK2, you can do that. They're available right now through GigaParts. And the beautiful thing is, because it's Icom, you're going to get double rewards points. But if you use Ham Shack TV's coupon code on top of that, you get quadruple rewards points. Folks, let GigaParts know that you are very, very happy that they sent me this on a loaner so you could test it out. I love this radio. Pretty good chance I'm going to buy it. We'll see. But I am very, very happy with this so far. More videos to come. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll share more with you as we learn. We'll make more videos. And I've got it for 30 days as of right now. So, again, the GigaParts coupon code does not only apply to the Icom 7300, it applies to anything in the store. So computers, 3D printing supplies, all kinds of cool stuff. Go check them out, gigaparts.com, coupon code HamShackTV, or if you're in the Huntsville, Alabama area, just go by their store on University Avenue. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next one, 73 AA4WX WSCB 693.